Today I am going to talk about the 4 myths related to electrical safety compliance for facilities in India. Hello all. I am Abhijit Katre. I am the CEO of SAS Powertech Pvt. We are a team of experts working in the field of enhancing electrical safety, uptime for working facilities by helping them achieve electrical safety compliance. Me and my team of experts have undertaken thousands of audits for facilities in India and have given implementable solutions to our clients wherein they have not just achieved their electrical safety compliance but have also benefited by enhancing their uptime. One of the most reputed food FMCG in India has been able to enhance its plant efficiencies above 85% by the services that we have provided to them. Let us talk about the 4 myths related to electrical safety. The myth number 1, there is no specific guideline or standard for electrical safety regulations in India which my facility needs to comply with. The truth is, the Central Electrical Authority has been providing regulations for all electricity entities, right from power generation to distribution to end users, on electrical safety regulations, and has clear-cut and well-defined mandate as well as standards to achieve compliance with. Myth number 2, my facility is safe and compliant as there is no tripping happening in the facility when the electrical infrastructure is loaded, and I don't have any problems. The truth is, if your facility is not having electrical trippings or is not having any kind of issues, it may be that the electrical infrastructure may be supersized, or your protective device coordination or your protective systems are completely bypassed or out of operation. In fact, it is a reason to worry more. Myth number 3, my facility is safe and compliant as the electrical inspectorate has cleared my annual inspection report. I would like to specify that the electrical inspectors are supposed to validate whatever documentation has been provided to them, and then they are not responsible for any kind of non-compliance, as it is the necessity and the requirement and the responsibility of the facility owner. So having that said, in case of any incident after electrical inspector has given an approval for your yearly documentation, it doesn't mean that your facility is electrically safe. Myth number 4, achieving electrical safety compliance is an easy task. Our in-house facilities and maintenance teams are capable for it and can achieve it on a regular basis. The truth is that electrical safety compliance is not as easy as it looks. It requires a lot of experts with acquired knowledge of this field. It involves use of quality testing and measuring equipments and also software simulation to deliver on your compliance statement. Currently, electrical safety regulation that is in place is CEA 2023, and we will be certainly talking about it more once in my next videos as we go about this topic. Achieving compliance for electrical safety standards is not just necessity, but it is a mandatory activity. Unfortunately, a lot of facility owners or facility leaders or managers consider this to be a licensing activity, whereas it's a very technical and a critical aspect of any facility's functioning and should be treated with equal importance and expertise. As I plan to conclude this, I would request you to follow me more as I talk about electrical safety compliance requirements. I help you understand what is the regulation that is binding on your facility. I help you simplify the standards and their complex requirements and help you ensure that you move towards a safer facility and you ensure that all people working in your facility are safe, electrically safe. Thank you.